Kenyan to work in Tabora, we celebrated those institutions. We have been told about the postal union, the telecommunications. We have been told about the East African Airways. We remember fondly the University of East Africa, how it was easy for a Kenyan medical student to study in Mulago, and for a Ugandan student to study law at the University of Dar es Salaam, and for a Ugandan student to study engineering at the University of Nairobi. We are all nostalgic about those days. We then ask ourselves why it is that recognizing the value of unity as we do and as we appreciate, why is it that in 1977 our countries went out? What brought about the centrifugal forces that saw Uganda go its way, saw Kenya go its way, saw Tanzania go its way, so that we were disunited? Commentators, whether they are politicians or political scientists or just idle speakers, would say many things happened. Some would say that it was ideological differences of the leaders of the day. Some would say that they were forces from outside of the continent whose desire is that we remain in a state of disunity. All those assessments are possibly true. But even after we had lost our opportunity for deepening our unity in 1977, it cannot be denied that the desire for unity and the desire for the East African community always remained alive. And that is why, therefore, when in 1999, the movement to re-establish the East African community came alive, it was at once sentimental, at once nostalgic, at once visionary, and I'm glad to say that it happened in the presence and through the joint midwifery of the President of the Republic of Uganda, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. He remains one of the midwives at that time. He is the only one who is still alive to give us a true testimony of the thinking of the day. But we who are students of history remember that when we thought about creating the East African community, we reminded ourselves that never again shall we make the mistakes that were made by our forebears, that never again shall we have a misstep, that never again shall we allow ourselves to be divided by narrow interests, that never again shall we allow myopic views to stand in the way of a good project, that never again will we allow the newly created East African community to be a body that stands up in the air without being grounded in the minds and hearts of the people. And it is in my understanding that the treaty under whose aegis the East African community is now rested is designed to ensure that the people of East African community is indeed located not only in the hearts but in the minds of the people of East Africa.